What's the meaning of ADT? Add. 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 ADT stands for Abstract Data Type. It refers to a data type that is defined by its behavior rather than its implementation details. ADT defines a set of operations or actions that can be performed on the data. The purpose of ADT is to provide a way to abstract the underlying implementation and focus on the functionality. ADT enables the programmer to manipulate complex data structures easily and efficiently without worrying about implementation details, making code more modular and maintainable. It is a fundamental concept in computer science and is widely used in programming languages and software engineering.